how to sell your house as a NFT. Well, in today's video, I'm gonna talk all about this company that made history in the United States, selling the first house in Florida as a NFT. Now, why would somebody want to do this? Why would you even want to buy a house as an NFT? Well, number one is royalties. If you sell your house as an NFT, you can most likely get from 1 to 10% royalties, which means that if that house gets sold again in the future, you can get 1 to 10% of that transaction. And two, selling and buying NFTs is super easy and convenient, especially compared to buying a house, which is such a hard and long process in today's world. But NFTs and crypto makes things super easy, especially with smart contracts. It's gonna make the world more efficient and convenient. And yes, I do believe that in the future, buying houses as NFTs is going to be something that is going to be very normal. So let's hop on the computer and we're going to talk about how you can sell your house as an NFT under this company that I'm about to show you. So let's get started. All right, guys, I'm right here. And if you guys love the best crypto videos here on YouTube, leave a like, subscribe, put that notification bell so you guys can keep up to date with the best crypto videos here on YouTube. So as you guys can see, I'm on this Twitter here called Proppy, and this is the company that made the first ever sell in the United States. As you guys can see, world's leading innovator in the real estate industry. And right here, we go to their website right here, and as you guys can see, the world's first real estate NFT. It was actually sold in the Ukraine, in Kyiv. It was an apartment in Kyiv that was sold. That was the world's first. But Proppy makes history again and sells the first one in the United States, the home of the first U.S. real estate NFT. So you click right here, Florida, the home of the first U.S. real estate NFT. I mean, this is just crazy, guys. Just to think of this, here is what you need to know. You will own a US-based entity that owns the property, the NFT ownership rights, and it will be stored in the crypto wallet. The sale will happen via blockchain, and starting price is $650K. That is crazy. Here's a reminder of the first auction. And look at this right here. It was 210 ETH, $654,000. And here are some of the photos here, which look really awesome. But just for this, I mean, this is a pretty simple house in my opinion. And you know, it's, in my opinion, super overpriced for just a 1-floor house. But I mean, it looks really nice. But I guess being the first ever NFT house sale, that's why it was 210 ETH at the moment. It tells you here about the NFT. Here's the NFT photo. It tells you about the seller. So this was legit the first ever. Look at this right over here. And right here, it tells you why would someone NFT their property. Again, like I told you, royalties is a big one, and it's super easy to use. So the question is, how can you do this? How can you sell your house or even buy a house as an NFT? If you go right here to the main website, it tells you here how you can get started. I want to NFT my house, right? So you click right here, and it tells you right here, NFT your property. And you just literally have to send them this form, okay, that you put in your name, your email, the area that you live in, the market value, the description, is this your property, just these simple questionnaires here, and then you send it, and I think they get back to you on email. Now obviously there's a lot of things that have to happen before they can start doing a lot of these sales, right? They probably have a bunch of forms of people sending them, you know, wanting to NFT their property. But again, there's probably like a bunch of laws and legal things that they have to get over first before starting this. So right here, I am a buyer, a seller, a real estate agent. So if you're a buyer, it's gonna be something similar. You're gonna fill this up, send it to them, and I guess they'll get back to you by email. And right here, if you're a real estate agent, you can actually send them this form and maybe even start selling your houses as NFTs. As you guys can see here, there's more information. But again, as this becomes possible and popular, I definitely know that Proppy, which was literally the first one to sell a house as an NFT in Florida, is going to be the first mover. It's going to be the first company that's going to start selling more houses as NFTs. I do think that before any other, because they already sold a house as an NFT and they already have a platform, as you guys can see right here, they're already set to do this. They just have to deal with the legal laws and everything like that. So yeah, guys, this is the company. Follow them on Twitter. Keep up with them. If you guys are still in the real estate market, it's way too high right now, and you guys want to either sell your house as an NFT in the future or buy a house as an NFT, right? This is the company right here to follow on Twitter, Proppy. I do think this is going to be something popular because it's just super easy, right? I mean, there's so much crap that you got to deal with when you're buying a house. But now with NFTs and smart contracts, it's just going to be super easy to do. So definitely follow them. Follow me on Twitter as well. And if you guys want to get in touch with me, you guys can join ZZ Money Club, which I'm a partner of. In the description below, there's a link to them. So thank you guys again for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.